This is a tutorial on creating, editing, and managing a HVAC schedule. Select the HVAC Schedules option listed underneath the Setup category. If there were any HVAC schedules previously created, they will appear here. In this case, there's a previously created schedule called Test Plan. To create a new HVAC schedule, select Add HVAC Schedule in the upper right corner. Here you will have the choice to make from scratch or from a previous template. Typically, you will want to do so from scratch. Now name your schedule and hit Next. Below the section labeled Advanced Settings, there is an option named Use Reset Schedule, which when on ensures a thermostat override is temporary. You can also add a date range for which this schedule operates. For example, this schedule could be used for the month of August. This is important because custom schedules can be made for unusually cold or hot parts of the year. There is also an option above to indicate whether or not you want this action repeated each year. Click Add when finished. Now you have the ability to edit the schedule periods. We will start with Monday by selecting Edit Schedule. Click into the first tab labeled Pre-Opening. From here, you can see the period name and whether or not this tab is active, which it currently is not. You cannot change the name as this is the default, but if you make a custom period, you could do so. Below is the option to change the start time of this cycle, where you have the ability to sync it to building opening or closing time, as well as a custom option. Next, you can control the set points of this cycle by adjusting the heating and cooling points, which tells the unit when to heat or cool. You can also select the fan mode. Details about the fan mode definitions and uses can be found in the tutorial on System and Fan Mode. Finally, you can apply this cycle to priority rooms or rooms with active motion. When done with this, click Save. Note, you can edit the same options for any default or custom period. If you scroll down to the bottom of the tab, you can add a custom period. This has the exact same options as what was just showed. For the purpose of this video, we are going to use the base settings for this custom period, meaning we will not change anything. However, we will change the start time to 3 a.m. so this custom period can be placed before pre-opening. After clicking Save, you will be prompted with which days you want this schedule to apply to. For example, we want this schedule to be applied every weekday, so those are the days selected. Now we can apply the schedule. Click Apply Schedule and decide whether or not it should be applied to all buildings. For now, we will only apply it to Cabana. You can now choose which units in this building the schedule will be applied to. We will select All as we want all units to have the same schedule. Now, if you exit back to the HV Schedule screen, you will see this schedule is listed and is active now. The final capability that is important is duplicating this schedule. To do so, click the three dots and select Duplicate. Name the schedule and then click Duplicate. This should be done if you want to make a schedule similar to one of your previous HVAC schedules, as this can cut down on time needed to make a whole new schedule. You are now ready to make your own HVAC schedule.